Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to paint a peaceful, glowing forest scene filled with golden grass, deep green shadows, and warm sunlight filtering gently through the trees. This painting has a dreamy atmosphere, but it's created with very simple techniques, so anyone can follow along and enjoy the process. I begin by mixing white with a touch of red and yellow to create a soft, warm light for the sky. Using a small piece of sponge, I gently cover the upper part of the canvas. The sponge helps the paint blend smoothly into the surface and creates a soft, misty texture without visible brush marks. This gives the background a calm, glowing atmosphere right from the beginning. Next, I mix blue with white, yellow, and a tiny amount of black to create a dark turquoise tone. With the sponge and gentle tapping motions, I begin building the background forest. I allow some areas to remain darker while softly lightening others so the trees don't look flat or uniform. The variation in tones immediately creates depth and mystery inside the forest. Toward the lower part of the background, I use deeper greens to make the distant woods feel denser and more shaded. Now, with a smaller brush, I begin adding soft highlights along the edges of some trees. I keep the details very hazy and delicate at first, carefully separating the tree shapes from one another without making them too sharp. As I move toward the foreground, the highlights become brighter and more defined, helping the closer trees feel more visible and alive. This gradual transition from soft, distant forms to clearer foreground details gives the painting a beautiful sense of depth. For the ground, I first create a very dark green mixture and cover the lower section of the canvas. Then I lightly highlight parts of it with a grassy green tone to create variation and texture beneath the tall grass that will come later. Now I mix yellow, red, and white to create a glowing golden color. With flowing upward strokes, I paint long golden grasses across the distant field and again in the foreground. These warm grasses instantly bring sunlight and warmth into the scene. Some strokes are taller, some shorter, and some slightly curved so the field feels natural and full of movement in the breeze. Next, I mix red, yellow, and black to create a rich dark brown for the large tree trunk. Slowly, I shape the strong trunk rising upward through the painting with heavy branches stretching confidently into the sky. I want this tree to feel old, grounded, and full of life, like it has been standing in this peaceful meadow for many years, quietly watching the changing seasons. The thick trunk becomes the heart of the composition and gives the entire painting a sense of strength and balance. Once the branches are in place, I begin painting the leaves touched by sunlight first. Using gentle tapping motions, I place glowing yellow-green highlights between the branches, allowing them to sparkle as if sunlight is passing directly through the canopy. After that, I layer darker green leaves in front of and around those highlights to create contrast, depth, and the illusion of overlapping foliage. This contrast between light and shadow gives the tree a vibrant, realistic feeling. I'd love to know where you're watching my videos from, so please share your country or city with me in the comments. I truly enjoy reading them and connecting with all of you around the world. Using a small round brush or a liner brush, I paint delicate lines of light along the edges of the tree trunk and branches. Then I add sharper, more defined leaves over the previous layers to give the foliage even more texture and dimension. Little by little, the tree begins to feel fuller, richer, and more alive. Finally, with a liner brush, I paint the tall golden grasses in the foreground using elegant curved strokes flowing gently in different directions. These flowing lines add movement and softness to the scene. To complete the painting, I add a few tiny yellow butterflies fluttering around the tree, bringing a magical, peaceful feeling to the final artwork. I hope you enjoyed painting this glowing forest scene with me today. If you did, please support the channel with a like, comment, and subscribe. Your support truly means a lot and helps me continue creating more relaxing painting videos for you. Until the next painting, take care and see you soon.